How's it, guys? Welcome to. I'll call this segment Uphumelele Shashalazini because lang Uphumelele Shashalazini. I I hope nalikumbuka tena kuthi Uphumelele Shashalazini. So this one is Uphumelele Shashalazini with uSiphiwe. So I'm sure aninakile nalento kodwa mina lowo muntu obonayo ophopholayo izinto ngiyabuka ngithi mina yeyi khona into ezayo la. Uyabona uma ubuka usiyayijika koKhozi FM, akuwona usiyayijika nje lo ojwayelekile. Naniyiboni nina le nto, akuwona usiyayijika lo ojwayelekile. Uyabo laphaya kusetha i-scheme laphaya, nginixoxele. Laphaya kusetha i-scheme laphaya, kusetha i-scheme laphaya. Laphayana umphathi wey'nhlelo ulungiselela i-radio season entsha ezoqala ngo-April. Laphaya nginixoxele-ke mina ngoba nina niyibone into engiyibonayo. Ulungisela i-radio season ezoqala ngo-April laphaya. So they brought in uNomfundo Clarissa. We know uNomfundo Clarissa from Ikakas FM. She was doing Drive there with DJ Waters and uNomalanga. Hawu manje mina ngirekhodayo. Guys, sorry about that. Uma walayikayo thetha uyathetha nakumuntu. Lapho fishane ngingakodwa kuyathatha. Buye sikhulume la. Bengisasho ukuthi balande uNomfundo Clarissa. We know Nofuno from Kakazi. She was doing the drive with DJ Waras, the late DJ Waras, together with Unomalanga. So they were doing the drive there. I think they did that for about a year or two, if I'm not mistaken. It was a very big show. So now, of course, Balandile Nofundo Clarissa. And she did Breakfast Show. She did a late night show with, I think, Ule Shope. I think she also did a show with the Chris Fisher, if I'm not mistaken. And then there's Usne in Togal. We know Usne from even my friend. Very good, very representative. She's there. Now, this is very unusual. Hence, I'm saying, what's the Lapaya? What's the scheme Lapaya? Okay. Self Beyonce left to cause and joined the Gagas. Uchata has been going solo for the past 4 months or 5 months, if I'm not mistaken. Of course, is looking for someone that is going to replace Self Beyonce. And I think they've tried ngolimi lebhola ama-trials lawo. They've tried uNomfundo. They've tried uSne Intokazi. Umuntu othanda i-red uzoyizwela ngisho. Angisho ukuthini, kodwa ngikusho ukuthi come the new radio season, uJathi uzobe engahambi yedwa. uJathi uzobe engahambi yedwa, uJathi. Ilokho nje ngikushoyo. So again, ngiyasho ukuthi uJathi uzobe engahambi yedwa. Angazi noma ngusine noma unomfundo Clarice. But judging, angithi sawazi ama-strengths omuntu nama-weaknesses omuntu. Chances are unomfundo will be there with uJata on the drive come the new radio soon. Mark my words. Mark my words. Happy New Year.